Kumkadak ban kemau burom ya kejing rakhi singkha kebashi spatsnem jong Father Silvanus Sngi Lyngkot SDB wala khlat no. Uba barok ki ithu yu kum Father Sngi. Mendak step Hamates Institute u Father Paul Olphindro Lyngkot ubari provincial wala palai pajba ya kawi kekot halor ke Jingim jong Father Sngi. Ya ke bala tho bala penbit penbiang do Father Barnes Mauri haringkat bat ka Vendrame Institute mau pedang. Hagini ke step la don langru Father John Suziama ubari Vice Provincial, Father Marius Sngi badai Parish Priest Kemaulai, Father Thomas Pampadil, Rector, Father Bresson Paul Rani badai Parish Priest ke Nomansong, Father Festus Shadap badai Assistant Parish Priest ke Petoram Kra Parish bad kewe-kewe. Hashwa ban pelat ya kene kakot ke belai kerteng, im ke kerteng sa kanam. Ki mati bakrau jong Father Silvanus Sngi Lyngkot, la yo ya ke jing duai no Father Bresson Paul Rani, bala yo ru kendiat ya ke jing keren Shaphang kene kakot do Father Festus Shadap. Na kaliang Father Barnes Mauri wala tho ya kini kakot ulaya tho ba kini kakot kala tho aga krian kasi wala sampan poi ya kini kakot shaki parish ba pher hagri lom kasi jentia kana mo kipaj ba kinyo jingtip ba kinyo mensim na kini kakot Shaphang ke Jingim ba ke jingtre jong Father Silvanus Sngi Lyngkot shushu ulaya tho wa ka kerteng bat kanam jong Father Sngi la bana keleng ke perthei bat barok kinang wei ki tho bat kitip Shaphang jung bat danru ki blai kendu yu badai halor kini ganong rim baya menta ya kini kakot on thok shwa kaktin kasi bad hadin habot on salak ban penmi no ru akaktin nong wei ban la ban penpoi shaki bei pat ki jaka khamtam e ha kini kathai north east barok kwe.
The fourth is the chief guest for this function. John is the vice principal. Father Bresson, parish priest of the Namansam, Festus. Father Marius, parish priest in Maulai, Father Pampadi, rector of the house, and for the media people from Sascom. So we first of all welcome to all of you to this function. This is a simple function. As you know, we are in this situation of COVID-19, so we have a lot of restrictions, so we cannot have any big function. But just a symbolic function, just to to honor our great man, late Father Silvanus Sngi. This happened because this year we are keeping the 100th year of his birth, the 100th birth anniversary. So in order to honor such a great person who has really contributed so much to the church as well as to the congregation as well as to the people, Khasi people especially, I think he deserves to be honored, to be remembered, and his legacy must be lived on and must be kept on in our midst. So that's the reason why we took this initiative to prepare this book in order to remember him and to be a kind of memory of Father Sngi. So I am really privileged to have this chance of publishing this book, and Father Provincial will release this book today, and I hope it will be of great benefit to our people around, especially since it is in Khasi, so people can read, common people can read, and I think they will be inspired by the life and works of Father Sngi. Many things which we people are not aware of, I think it is good that when they read this book, they will discover the many great things that Father Sngi has done. In fact, I also many things I did not know, but after reading many of the articles of people who have written, I have come to know many other things which Father Sngi had really accomplished in his lifetime. He was a great man. He was a towering personality and a great, you can say, a great missionary at the same time. He had many talents. He was a healer, he was a preacher, he was a writer, he was also activist, he was a politician in one sense. So he was a multifaceted personality. So we are privileged to have such a great man, and I hope that through this book and other works which you will do in the future, you will keep up the legacy of Father Sngi, and perhaps he will be known more and more, not only in our state but also outside and in other parts of the world as well. So I think that is something that we should be proud of as Salesians, of course, and then of course as Khasi, that is one of us, and at the same time also as a church, as a Catholic church, we are so proud because we have such a great missionary such a great person who has inspired so many people. So with that, I would like to basically continue this function of today, which is supposed to be very short. So next will be I invite Father Festus to just say something about it.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I begin with a phrase which Father Sngi used to say often. If you want the society to survive, writing is the only way to revive its culture, its beautiful traditional beliefs and practices. True to his words, he has contributed so much to Khasi culture, its traditional beliefs and practices, through his writings, inspiring talks, his thorough knowledge of the traditional teachings of the Longshua Manshua, and his entire life was dedicated to the promotion of Khasi culture. This book, Im Kakateng Sa Akanam, is nothing but a reminder to the Khasi society about the contributions of this great legend of our own kind, who should not be forgotten, but his name and contributions be kept alive in our hearts and our minds. I hope this book will reach all the people, since it is written in Khasi language. The annual Khasi traditional games in Lyngkot Parish, especially the Siat Khnam, which has entered the calendar of Kinom Siat Khnam of Meghalaya, held in Father Sngi's memory, is being held every first week of January in memory of his birthday. Thousands of Father Sngi's admirers from all over Meghalaya used to come every year since its inception. We thank the editor, Reverend Dr. Barnes Mauri, for the initiative he has taken, especially during this pandemic time. May God continue to bless him as he continues to contribute to the society through his writings. All the writers are closely associated with Father Sngi, so I believe what they have written in their own experiences with the legend, and I assure the readers will enjoy reading this book. All the best. Have a pleasant morning. Thank you.
Father Vice Winchell, Father Committee Director of the House, Marius, the present and outgoing Secretary of Bishop Mola, and Father President Paul, the Parish Bishop of Northern South, and Father Barnes and Father Festus, and to the media, Mr. Scrum on the media board. Yeah, this is my joy to be with you this morning, and in a very, very special way to congratulate Father Barnes, to the whole team for this very important work to make sure that Father Sngi is still alive. He's not dead, he's still alive. His name is still lingering here in the Khasi Hills, the Genta Hills, the whole of Meghalaya, whole northeast, here in the country, and all over the world. And we have said Father Sngi, Father Festus already said so many things about Father Sngi, and we all know that he's a man with a vision, a man who was there for all, not exactly only for one, for all of us who are here in Meghalaya, here in Shillong and Khasi, but a man for all. Where he was, he keeps the name. That's what very important. Even when he was in Greece, he was in Italy, he was in Germany, or any part of the world, Father Sngi was there. This is my place. That is the sense of belonging. I think that's what we need to learn from Father Sngi. Nice title, Father Sngi. Imkarkten Sakana. It's not only where he is, but where he was born, but wherever Father Sngi visits, he's always there. He keeps the name alive. I think this book will be a help for his future. That was the plan of the province. I hope so by this year or next year to begin the process for his canonization too. That's our plan too. So therefore we hope and pray that this dream and this intention of the province and all of us too will be able to see one day Father Sngi as saint, Father Sngi Lyngkot here in our region, in the church especially, and the whole society. So once again I like to wish Father Barnes and of us God's blessing, and really we ask Father Sngi to intercede for all of us. I'm very, very happy to release the book in honor of Father Sngi. The title is Im Kapiteng Sa Kanam Ki Mati Krau Jong Father Sngi Silver Silindo SB, edited by Father Barnes Mauri.
I thought Patrick Watching before he went to Argentina, he managed to write them. So we are grateful to these contributors. Because of them only we are able to bring out this book. So I hope in the future we'll be able to work on more projects like this. And of course, special thanks I would like to give to the family of Father Anthony Karkomot, who have given some financial help for the publication of this book. That's why we have dedicated this book to his mother, May Josephine Karkomot. So we thank Father and his family, and I would like to thank all of you who have been instrumental in encouraging me and also in helping us to realize this project. So once again, thanks to each and every one of you, the media people who have come all the way from Lyngkot and from Saskam and the Austro media. So thank you for your presence, and I hope really that this book will be a great inspiration to our people. Whoever reads this book, I definitely they will be inspired by the life of Father Sngi. So that is our desire, that Father Sngi's memory lives on, and that his legacy is being preserved and lived by the people, especially by us priests and religious who have inherited from him so much of good things. So once again, thank you to all of you, and may God bless you. Ini kot Insha ni jingmut naga nusnam araja rafuai agar ni rakhi ka jingdap hispa senam jong ka jing khai pada sini akai pada sini ka hispa rafuai ini ong ide pensak nam ke keteng jongu dan amar kadai ka por covid community ngla banle ki program tu ki program ba ka banle te si tangkani ko we ngla banle kata ngla ban kho ni kot ni jing tho ki ba dei chong jongu ke desi ka dakani ngla pen sanam bisa ya ke keteng jongu nagar ni yo jimut nani napai wat ngila persian banle kani ke kam daga ba kontak ini kinang tho kiban tho ki artikel spang pada Sngi ikwa begini ka jing tho kanong bet tang spang pada Sngi mut ke tang spang jing tre ke jing ke jongu jadi kita ki artikel pada kani ka kot jadi baro spang ga ki kam jing pada Sngi mungkin uksa ka pada Sngi kan missionary mangyalap pada Sngi kum nang pentia jang tibriu nang kot jing tibriu pada Sngi kum tahu start Bible jang kasih pada Sngi kum tahu nang yarap ye ke imlang salang teknik de topik kiban dana kini ka kot de kampep kini ki artikel ki pensyai ki pen isyai ya kata ga jing krau jing pada Sngi lo lale bon ki kam ki ba krau na benta kari ba kejai dia kumju ro na benta ke balang jengi te nagar ka daw kani ga kot ngalam nang ka de sisya ka jing ainam ye pada Sngi ya ga keteng ga jongu ka nam ga jongu ya di kam di krau ga jongu ad ngai ba kita go puli kan sesam di dalade ya kita ki kam ki ba pada Sngi dale akani kari khasi jeng dia jengi te ngai ba kali ki kam bole kini ki jing no senyang jongu sya ka jat dia baca ka balang kin ai musim ki bairu bakin le lang ni kumjo bakin bo de kan uksa ga jongu kenang ba shisha insa nang yo shishu bun kita gibriu kum pada Sngi giban no sinyang sha ka jabri wa sha ka balang berkoi nama ni don kam shisha gibriu kum u kibat trai shisha no kam sim na benta ka jing bahajam ki paiba na benta ka jing bahajam kari berkoi te ikerman ba pada Sngi mo si empat meetingnya gudan happening ta punya side na benta jing berok entam na benta kari hasi jini kari hasi jintia jini ba la shisha ban no senyam sya gajing roi jing pa jing kajan rio jing kari berkoi al bangin na ro ban train nan tak buram jing le ba ma uri la train ka rodang in han exla tu hoi kalau jam khat mo gade gani ga for covid tin na hundan ki program ki ma ga hada bagi pada ki don ande ga la tar in persang ila di nada hamla ke pertai dia insa sam se di parish ba fair insa tentang ki mani bagi beri pinitiat kalau ada ki kerja procession kerja program untuk insa tentang ki beri pinitiat dan yang ngaj suki beri insa ki bela ada kitip insa tiadi mengatip borok ki beri por kasih jantia jangi ki borok pada Sngi ki je pada Sngi bagi wa sisya tips pangju dengan cara ki kan nam jing nak bentar pun ini ka
dosi
ya kata tengah tarai dan pun sih ki jaka jeng kono is pang tarai yang hap le English akasi dekat nam ya no te kata le se insai perkara dia nak buat supaya ada lawan translate kata English dan lawan priang patul itu kata te se kan simple misalnya le space kat kado dekat di isi spot yang aku kita terkadang empat supply dari sini kita dengan sawan hangir dan sabu apa ni ke media domestic media shop itu atau ingin sabu apa simple media center ingin sabu haki parish fair yang sambu